Hello everyone, welcome to the IchimokuCharts.com daily analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Monday, May the 11th. Well, significantly, we've had a change of character to this market today. If we look at the color of the candle, it's the most significant thing that stands out, and that's where the Japanese candlesticks help us, where we can immediately see that there's been a change in sentiment. We now have some bearish sentiment in the market with the red candle, so the bears have won the battle for the day, and they're fairly committed to changing this trend. Although the trend has not changed yet, we still have a slightly higher high and a higher low. Unfortunately, didn't make a lot of net gain through there for the bulls today. Now, this is potentially two types of candlestick reversal patterns. The first is dark cloud cover, and that's where the current candle is at the end of a strong uptrend. The current candle is bearish, and it moves significantly into the body of the previous candle as this has done. We don't have confirmation of a reversal yet, and we want to see the low of the current candle taken out. And it's very close to also being a tweezers top, where these highs are roughly equal. So very close to being a tweezers top, that we might as well call it a tweezers top too. But also with the tweezers tops, we need confirmation. Now, tweezers tops, I think, are pretty much the strongest reversal patterns that we see, and the most successful that we see with candlestick analysis. But if we look at this swing up here, beautiful bullish swing, nice green candles all the way, and as the trend was developing, the size of the body was extending and getting bigger and bigger as the trend moved on. And then all of a sudden this change of character. If we look at the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, the Tenkan-sen is still pointing up very strongly, which means that the market has had a lot of momentum to it. If we look at the Kijun-sen, it started to turn down slightly, which means that the market is losing some momentum. Now, we'd expect that if this market does sell off, which I imagine that it could, we should look to the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen to hold as an area of support. But they're a fair way away from where this market is. So if we do see a sell-off, it could be fairly significant. And when we look at how bullish this market was, I'd expect that the market could start to retrace down around to these levels. Previously, we said that 78 was a potential target because it was a previous area of support, as we saw here, a round number as well. We can see the support here, and we know that support can turn into resistance. So that area there was a target. I'm not so sure whether we'll get there at the moment. We need to remember, though, that we are in a first time frame uptrend, and we still are in a first time frame uptrend as well. So second time frame uptrend, first time frame uptrend. The trend still has not reversed, and we need to look for confirmation of that. But all of the other indicators are bullish. We have the Tenkan-sen on top of the Kijun-sen, and the market's trading up above the cloud. The cloud twisted to give us a bullish bent quite some time ago.